Hi, I'm Sasha, and in this tutorial I'll show you everything about managing locations in BeGuest. Super easy and quick. Let's see how it works. Locations allow you to show guests the important places and key points related to the event, such as hotels, train stations, airports, or restaurants. Let's see how to set them up and use them correctly. In BeGuest, you have access to a location repository, which acts as a global database of relevant places. This allows you to reuse locations across multiple events without having to create them from scratch every time. Locations can represent train stations, hotels, bus stops, company headquarters, restaurants, and other interest points. Guests will be able to access this information in 3 places. On the BeGuest portal, on the right-hand side of the screen, in the event agenda, where references to these locations may appear when assigning hotels to each event. To manage location, go to the content section and select locations. To create a new location, click on New Location. First, enter the details such as name, main and secondary address if it's applicable, phone number, website and its representative image. If the location has a Google Maps address, you can add it to provide more detailed information. Assign 1 or more categories. Categories are not preset, so you can create them according to your needs, as many as you like. It might seem like a lot of work at first, but over time you'll build a very complete location library, making the setup of new events much faster. Once your locations are created, you'll add them to your event. Go to your event and navigate to Content, then Locations. Select the locations you want to add to the event. To speed things up, you can filter by categories, which are very useful once you have many locations. After adding them, don't forget to assign them to your groups. They will then be visible in the guest portal. You can also link locations to appointments in the event agenda. For example, if you're organizing a dinner, you can link it directly to a restaurant location. This helps guests to know exactly where to be at all times. Finally, when you create a hotel within your event, you'll do it by selecting a location. Then you can add the rooms and define the costs. For more on hotel and costs, check out the dedicated videos that cover those topics in detail. Now, you know how to manage locations in BeGuest, from the creation to the assignment of agendas, events, and hotels. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep exploring more videos on the platform, and see you on the next tutorial.